Now to clean a rubber roof, use dish soap such as Fairy Liquid or any other safe detergent cleaner. Avoid using any harsh chemicals. Now I've added a bit of detergent in a bucket topped up with water halfway up. Should be enough to clean the whole flat roof. With a soft bristle brush, soak it in the bucket and start scrubbing away. This will help lift up any dirt laid on the rubber. Rubber roofing is one of the easiest roofing types to maintain. Liquid rubber can be applied for any repairs if needed. Use a hand soft bristle brush to lift up any stubborn dirt. Once you're done, rinse away with the hose pipe or lightly pressure wash. While I got the roof cleaned, might as well give the sky lantern a clean too. All you need is a soft cleaning sponge and a new bucket of water and detergent. Simply lightly clean the glass first, then the trims. Finally, rinse off. Job done. Take care guys, peace.